Hello, this is the fifth of 6 Node Commander Quick Start video guides. Within this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure and run synchronized sampling within Node Commander. The first step is to select the nodes you want within your network. To do this, you can hold down the control button and select individual nodes, or you can also hold down the shift button and select the nodes all in one shot like that. So once you get them highlighted, you want to right-click on them, select Sample, and then Synchronize Sampling. At this point, Node Commander goes through and interrogates each of the nodes to see how they're currently configured, and also if they have good communications. Now the next step is to configure the nodes. You can either do that one at a time by selecting, highlighting one, and then hitting Configure Selected, and then going into the Synchronized Sampling screen and selecting the modes and also the options there. Or you can also hold down the control button again, highlight the nodes that you'd like to put into your network or configure at that time, and hit Configure Selected, which then opens up a synchronized configuration screen. Or you can use the Shift button to select them all, or you can actually right-click and select all. Anyway, once you get them all highlighted, you want to hit Configure Selected, and within the synchronized configuration screen, you can select what channels you want on, what mode of operation you'd like to use, and also what sample rate. In this case, let's use 64 Hertz. Here you can select the sample duration, either unlimited or a finite number of sweeps. We're going to use unlimited. Hit Apply Configuration. Now Node Commander will write the configuration to each of the nodes, and when that's done, this screen will close and this will say Configuration Applied. Hit Close. Now at this point you can hit Apply Network Configuration, or you can actually go back and select nodes which you want to put into if you want to reconfigure them. So let's highlight those three and hit Configure Selected. Again, let's go ahead and have 3 channels. We'll select burst mode at, let's say, 512 Hertz, and we'll have it go for 3 seconds. You can see that each node will take up 50% of the bandwidth. To decrease this, we can increase the time between the sample sessions. As you see, as I increase it, the percent total bandwidth of each node goes down, and here you can see the 3 nodes together. So now that we can fit that into the system, let's go ahead and apply configuration. Again, it's writing to the nodes. When that's done, it will say configuration applied. Hit close, and then hit apply configuration for all of them. Here you can see the configuration, how they're set up. These 3 nodes that we just did in burst mode, 512 Hertz. Every 15 seconds, we'll do it for 1600 sweeps. So once we get that started, you can actually go back and reconfigure them if you need to, but you can also hit Start Sampling. Node Commander then goes through and starts them. Immediately, you should see the ones that we set up for continuous mode come right into the system. Here they are, showing that they're in synchronized. These 3, which we set up for burst, will not come into the system until the first bursting, which is about 15 seconds. So they should show up here shortly. There they are. So now we can right-click on these nodes and we can expand all. Here is the node information of all the information coming in. Here you have the 64 Hertz, the sample rate, of course, and the sample packets and success rate. Here's your data and your RSSI, your radio strength indicator. At any moment, if you'd like, you can actually go to Open here to view the data in the CSV file. Here are the individual nodes, but also all the nodes have been put into a master file, so you can view all the data from all the nodes in this one master file. To stop the nodes, you would select this X here next to the sample data. You have 2 options here, Exit Stop Nodes or Exit Nodes Continue. Let's select Exit Nodes Continue. We have shut this off, but the nodes are still in synchronized sampling mode. We could actually right-click on this and stop the nodes, or we can right-click on the base station and select monitor mode, and again you see the data start pouring in again. Then once these 3 burst again, we'll pick up the data. This time, let's stop the nodes. So we're going to hit Exit, Stop Nodes. Node Commander is now sending a stop node command to each of the nodes. Once they are done and Node Commander gets a signal from them, this window will close and we'll be done. Well, that concludes this demonstration of synchronized sampling. If you have any questions, please contact customer support at MicroStrain. And please watch the other videos to learn more about Node Commander. Thank you.